Are you tired of watching predatory middlemen eat 30% of your profits while you fight over scraps on the spot market? Stop settling for bottom-of-the-barrel pricing. In 2026, freight markets have normalized after recent volatility. Shippers are consolidating carriers and rewarding reliability with multi-year contracts tied to service metrics. Digital procurement teams now value predictability. That creates an opening for carriers who can prove safety, on-time performance, and dependable lane coverage. This video shows a direct path. Identify high-volume shippers, prepare professional RFP responses, showcase safety and lane reliability, and negotiate on service consistency rather than price. The result is long-term stability, higher margins, and fewer headaches. We move from surviving on spot rates to securing durable, high-paying freight contracts. Stay practical, stay bold. In the next chapters, we cover market targets, preparation, outreach templates, negotiation talking points, and a clear action plan you can use today. Start by focusing on sectors that move large, consistent volumes in 2026. Automotive manufacturing, consumer e-commerce, food and beverage, pharmaceuticals and building materials. Use public shipping data, tender volumes, and trade reports to find lanes with predictable weekly or monthly loads instead of one-off spot lanes. Prioritize lanes where you already have strong performance. High historical load count plus low variance equals leverage in negotiations. Create a target list of specific shippers and the logistics director contacts at each company. Personalize outreach by lane and business unit. Assess lane profitability and capacity constraints. Look for routes where your equipment and geographical footprint give you a competitive edge. Score each target by volume, lane reliability, safety performance, and strategic fit. Rank prospects into outreach tiers and prioritize the top whales. Before outreach, assemble a concise capability packet. Operating authority numbers, insurance certificates, safety scores, equipment lists, and technology integrations. Safety matters. Highlight recent CSA scores, driver training programs, and incident reduction metrics. Safety buys trust from procurement and logistics directors. Show lane reliability charts with clear metrics, on-time pickup percentage, dwell time, detention claims frequency, and successful full loads per week. Include a short sample service level agreement summary and escalation matrix that demonstrates how you handle exceptions and preserve supply continuity. Sample outreach email to logistics directors can be 3 short paragraphs. Use subject lines that reference lane and reliability up front. Use this brief template. Subject line proposal for dedicated Lane X. Body high name, we run Lane X daily with 98% on time pickups, recent CSA score, Y contact info. When the conversation begins, avoid price concessions. Anchor the discussion on consistent service windows, capacity guarantees, and measurable KP1s. Offer tiered pricing tied to performance bands. For example, a base rate plus a reliability premium for 98% on time and a rebate if targets miss. Use these negotiation talking points. We guarantee consistent weekly capacity. We maintain a 98% on-time pickup. We proactively manage exceptions with designated escalation contacts. Handle price pushback by reframing cost as total landed reliability costs. A missed load can cost far more than a modest reliability premium. If procurement insists on benchmarks, offer index-linked increases tied to a mutually agreed market index and service metrics to protect margins. Close negotiations by proposing a pilot term. A 90-day dedicated pilot with clear KPIs lets both sides validate service and justify the premium. Execute outreach with a consistent cadence. Send the initial email, follow up at 5 business days, then call with a concise value pitch tied to lane data. Use CRM tags for lane, sector, and response status. Track KPIs for every pilot and use lane reliability charts to support renewals and expansions. When a pilot succeeds, document results in a concise scorecard. Show pickups per week, on time pickup percent, dwell time improvement, and claim reduction. Scale by converting pilots into annual agreements with automatic review points. Expand by proposing adjacent lanes once reliability is proven. Common objections and quick responses. Objection: we can't pay a premium. Response: a small premium prevents supply disruption and lowers total landed cost. Keep it concise. Start pitching top-tier shippers today. Build a target list, pick 3 lanes, run pilots, document performance, and request a multi-year agreement. Take the first step now.